Hi everyone, Lukas from Gisbert and in this video I just wanted to give you my quick review on the Lolumina, which is just a little button you can add to your camera. In my circumstances I will be using this with the Fuji X-T1, so let's just have a quick look at inside the box. So as you see, it comes in a really small little box here, transparent, so you got a little button on top which is stick to the paper just to show you which color you order. You also come with the mount and the instruction, which I highly recommend you follow, but by watching this video you will know how to do it because I will show you exactly how it works. So the mounts here, you have two different ones. The first one is a flat one and the second one is a slightly curved one, which means that if your shutter button is flat like the X-T1, you'll be using the flat one, and if you're using a camera like for example the Nikon, which is a bit curved, well, you'll be using the curved one. Here what I do first of all is just give a quick spray and use the supplied little cloth with alcohol to clean the button very well. Okay, now they recommend you wait 10 minutes once you finish to clean the button. What I do is I personally use my blower just to dry it quickly. I did still wait a little, but it's far quicker if you do it this way. So okay, now I hope the audio is not too bad. I'm recording this with my headphones and you won't have the pleasure to see me in this video, sorry. So once this is done, you kind of take the little mount, take off the back and place it right in the middle. So apology for my fingers in the middle, but this is the kind of thing you can't get wrong, so I just needed to make sure I get it right. So once it's there, if you can see, it's slightly at the back, and the reason for that is that I've actually got a second one which is a black and a red, which I will show you later, and it allows you to switch on and off the button, the power easily if you just pull it back a little. I mean half millimeter, that's not much. So then after, once you have this and you have waited about 60 seconds by pressing on the shutter, you just have to add the top of the button and just screw it. A bit tricky, but it's not so bad. There we go. Now once you get towards the end of the screwing here, you just have to be careful, don't force too much because it's still not very bloody. I know it looks like I'm forcing a lot, but I'm not. I'm just really going slowly at the end and make sure. And then what I'll do is I'll press a bit more here, so it's a bit more comfortable as well to press it this way. And when this is done, now they do recommend you wait 48 hours or 72 hours, I think, for this to be 100% stick to the button. They also give you the instruction if you wanted to remove it on how to remove it, because obviously if you want to sell your camera, you may want to take this off or leave it as an option. I personally love it, so I don't see an issue if I was looking to sell my camera. Okay, so once this is done, that's pretty much it. Okay, you can just use the cloth to give a quick clean to your camera, which I should have cut this off in the setup, never mind. So as you see, it look okay. I personally don't mind. I think it looks really good, and I did get, as I said, the black and red version, and this is for me to be able to recognize the camera. So I'll be using these cameras in weddings and I'll be using both of them, and it allows me to quickly distinguish which camera I'll be using. So, and that is pretty much it. So hope you like it. I found it extremely useful and I think you should get it. Cheers, see ya.